Where are we, bro?
I think we're lost in the forest.
The best way to do is to get fire. Grab your axe. Let's do this together.
Guys, look how cute Rabbit is. Shirt guy, what the hell?
We need food. Hey guys, take a look at this. There's a missing child.
He looked just like Catboy. Guys, look, the map has grown bigger.
I think every time the fire levels up, the bigger map we get. Can we survive in this forest, bro? Why is Susie not eating? I guess he don't eat rabbits. I store fuel, you store scraps. Okie bro. We found your food. An abandoned house, bro. Keep holding on, bro. You save our lives, bro. A chest? I saw this first. Look, Susie, we found a tower.
Yeah, I'm not going in that tall tower.
Susie, there's a bunch of flashlight here.
What did you got there? Guys, I just saw a tall deer standing in the tree.
Say that again? I think she's hallucinating. I think she's just hungry. How can we find that kid? I think the kid is in that cave. So what's your plan, Poopy? We assemble. Thanks, bro.
How long he's been in here?
Watch out, bro. That's a skinwalker. We're going to save this kid. You're safe with us now, kid. Y'all heard that too, right?
Yeah.
Take this, you dirty, terrific, scary dog. That's a deer, bro. It's immortal.
It's scared of a light.
It only appears in night. This is the rule. Don't go alone in the forest. You must have someone with you. Second, try not to get lost. Third, fight together. And last, go to the light before the dark.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
This is all mine. So what y'all got? I got scraps and fuel.
I found a lot of bandages.
I got woods and other stuff. What other stuff? Well, I got a lot of food.
Have no fear. We fight for the glory of God, and we win by the grace of God.
Яндекс Гоу, скид.
The last night was crazy.
I'm literally just cooking last night.
What are these kids eating? Are you veggie? We win. Let's save that kid. Did anyone has fought a bear before? I think the missing kid is safer in the cave. I'm gonna craft a bear trap. Find me a rifle. Your plan worked. Just two more. Can I try, bro?
Sure, guy is gonna screw this up.
Trust. Shoot only the top. You said both, right? So this is the kid I almost got eaten by the bear.
Cultists are going to attack us again.
Then we'll make it quicker.
Poopy, you're gonna be okay?
The fire. Go, leave me. Rule number 4, never leave a man behind. We should separate. You still alive, bro? Let's do this one more time.